Hello there, my name is Emily Gossett. I am a metalsmithing and jewelry making student at the University of North Texas in Denton, Texas. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the awe-inspiring design team Nervous System. Nervous System was formed by Jessica Rosenkrantz and Jesse Louis Rosenberg. Together, they utilize their experience in programming, architecture, biology, fabrication, math, and technology to model and design one of a kind artworks that are, well, kind of manufactured. Let me explain. Jesse and Jessica aren't your typical artists, but before I tell you more about what makes their work unique and frankly awesome, let me explain how they got there. Jesse and Jessica were inspired by architect Greg Lynn and Austrian design company Fluid Forms. They were specifically very influenced by Greg Lynn's custom tea and coffee tableware concept. His project created what was supposed to be a mass customized coffee and tea set made from modular interchangeable molds. However, the project had a major flaw. It was too expensive, defeating the purpose of mass producing an item. The same can be said about Fluid Form's custom items like their salt and pepper shakers pictured on the right. These shakers were customizable through an algorithm instead of a mold, but they were still very overpriced and the designs were too limited in variation and shape. Building on those ideas, Nervous System decided to create their own algorithms to encode design systems that were generative but had no fixed outcome. Using Jessica's background in biology, they were able to replicate natural processes found in nature, like that of dendritic crystalline and coral structures that produce complex forms from simple rule sets, or pattern formations. Dendrites are branched, receiving portions of neurons. Dendrites form when particles move randomly until they collide and stick to one another. In their Coral and Full Moon series, the duo set up an algorithm to utilize boundary constraints, variable particle sizes, and anisotropy, meaning that all the particles travel in a directionally dependent way. All of these variables allow for the designs created by the dendrite system to be infinitely unique. Nervous System has continued on to create many other projects using their algorithms with the main purpose of making custom artwork and wearables accessible to everyone. Each project allows for one-of-a-kind artwork that consumers can either print on a 3D printer themselves or order through their website listed on the left. For consumers that want a more hands-on approach, Nervous System created an interface where anyone with a computer can manipulate their algorithms to design one-of-a-kind pieces. Some designs can be downloaded as an STL for printing on a 3D printer, or larger scale designs like the necklace I designed on the right can only be ordered through the website. However, that feature hasn't been available since 2018. There has been talks about them bringing that feature back. Kinematics is another project by Nervous System. This program allows for the designer to create flexible, hinge, chainmail-like structures in any shape or size that can be printed on a 3D printer. The system even folds and compresses its links into the smallest shape possible so that it can fit into the printing margins. Once done, the user can remove the product from the printer without any additional assembly. The possibilities facilitated by the website Shop and Labs range from small bracelets all the way up to full-size dresses. The components truly move with the wearer like a fabric, even though they are rigid. As you can see, there's a wide variety of shapes, patterns, and colors made possible through a few clicks in the Lab app. Hungry for more? Nervous System has 16 other projects for you to explore on their website. Want to build from scratch but don't know where to start? Try Tinkercad. It offers free online interfaces that allow users to build shapes in a Lego-like fashion, zero coding required. Want to design your own code and systems from scratch? Explore Grasshopper for Rhino tutorials at the link on the right. FF.com features similar product ideas to Nervous System made by similar production methods involving modeling through Grasshopper and 3D printing, but it's a bit more advanced and seems to be more of a resource for people that are interested in making their own code and learning from tutorials in the blog. Nervous System is a bit more consumer-facing and offers ready-made projects and a super simple set of apps for design. FF.com features similar product ideas to that of Nervous System, made by similar production methods that involve modeling through Grasshopper and 3D printing. But it's a bit more advanced, and it seems to be more of a resource for people that are interested in making their own code and learning from tutorials and the blog. Nervous System is a bit more consumer facing and offers ready-made projects and a super simple set of apps for design. Just want some more art inspo? Check out Bathsheba Grossman. She's another innovative artist that uses similar tools like biology and mathematic algorithms to create her 3D printed and laser cut sculptures. Check out her link in the bottom right hand corner.